Evaluate the algebraic expression t cubed times root of t over s plus s cubed times root of s over t, where t, s are real numbers, t doesn't equal s, satisfying root of t squared plus 5t plus 1 plus root of s squared plus 5s plus 1 equals 0. Since root of t squared plus 5t plus 1 plus root of s squared plus 5s plus 1 equals 0. So t squared plus 5t plus 1 equals 0. S squared plus 5s plus 1 equals 0. Thus, t, s are two different roots of x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0. Vieta's formulas, the roots are 1, are 2 of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Satisfy r1 plus r2 equals minus b over a. r1 times r2 equals c over a. For equation 1, a equals 1, b equals 5, c equals 1. Thus, we have t plus s equals minus 5, ts equals 1. Since ts equals 1, so t and s have the same sign. Since t plus s equals minus 5, so t, s are less than 0. Now, we simplify the given algebraic expression, which can be written as t cubed times root of ts over s squared plus s cubed times root of ts over t squared, which can be written as t cubed times root of ts over root of s squared plus s cubed times root of ts over root of t squared. Since t, s are less than 0, so root of t squared equals minus t, not t. Similarly, root of s squared equals minus s, not s. We can now write equals t cubed times root of ts over minus s plus s cubed times root of ts over minus t. The two terms have a common factor, so we can now write equals minus root of ts times t cubed over s plus s cubed over t. By finding a common denominator, we can now write equals minus root of ts times t to the power of 4 plus s to the power of 4 over ts. Since ts equals 1, so t cubed times root of t over s plus s cubed times root of s over t equals minus t to the power of 4 plus s to the power of 4. Next, we have to evaluate t to the power of 4 plus s to the power of 4. Square both sides of equation 2. We have t plus s all squared equals minus 5 all squared. By expanding both sides of the equation, we have t squared plus 2ts plus s squared equals 25. By equation 3, we know that ts equals 1, so 2ts can be written as 2. By rearranging the equation, we have t squared plus s squared equals 23. Square both sides of equation 5. We have t squared plus s squared all squared equals 23 squared. T to the power of 4 plus 2t squared s squared plus s to the power of 4 equals 529. 2t squared s squared can be written as 2 times ts all squared. By equation 3, we know that ts equals 1, so 2 times ts all squared equals 2. By rearranging the equation, we have t to the power of 4 plus s to the power of 4 equals 527. Substitute equation 6 in equation 4. We have t cubed times root of t over s plus s cubed times root of s over t equals minus t to the power of 4 plus s to the power of 4, which is equal to minus 527. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.